Beautiful.
They are with me baby, you know this straight up. Violator get a head bust like cake cut. Love you baby. What did them? Chatting for chatting.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! And this is how we are starting the new year, guys. Look at that nice pan-seared chicken quarter. Guys, look at that and tell me if that isn't amazing, and that sear is nice and perfect. Alright guys, so look at it again. Check out what going on and tell me about the sear. Tell me. So you don't know, then remove because it is finished. Yes guys, so starting the new year, we just want you guys to start with us on a bang with this banger cooking for the new year's, right? So let us know any video suggestions you have down below in that comment section, and feel free to tell us how you're enjoying the video, right? So we're coming along with our carrots, sweet potato, Irish and yams, right? And we're just going to allow these to get nice and sauteed. And from you see the chicken, from you see all of this, you can guess what we're preparing already. If so, drop that down in the comment section and let us know. So you don't know, stir after get everything nice and mixed in, right? Nice and translucent. That's how we want these vegetables. And you don't know, in everything we do, we must have flavor and taste. So we're gonna come with the big bad salt and pepper or mother seasoning, guys. If you know us, you know that we always season, right? Followed by some onion and garlic powder mixture. Works hand in hand with that salt and pepper. Works wonders, right? Yes guys. Stir that in once again to get everything nice and mixed in. Yes guys, you know, just good vibe while cooking and all that good stuff. Bring out the good in you and the food. Yes guys, see that? Everything getting nice and translucent like how we want it. Beautiful, right? So what you think we're going to come with now? You're not sure? Yeah, think. Alright, you might get it. So we are just going to deglaze the pot with some white wine, guys. Yep, that white wine coming in to deglaze that pot. Nice and aromatic, guys. And you don't know, it's a perfume in the kitchen right now, guys. It's nice and aromatic. So you're just going to stir those in once again. Get it all up in there. Everything nice and incorporated, getting all that flavors going, right? Yes guys, have you made any plans for the new year yet? Let us know, guys, so we can work in achieving those together. So we're going to come with some chicken stock now to top off that white wine so that the vegetables can get nice and al dente, because we don't want these to break up. We just want them nice and al dente, so when we're eating we can, you know, enjoy the goodness. So that's what we want. So we're just going to allow this to simmer for a few minutes. Yes guys, we'll come back again. Vegetables looking nice like how we want them. Beautiful. So we're going to come in with some onion and fresh garlic. Yes guys, in with everything, you know, Chef Reed, in, not now, yes, not now, that's right, that garlic. Yes guys. Get that all up in there. This is so lovely and flavorful, guys. Stir that in again. Once again, look at those vegetables, nice and translucent, guys. Beautiful, right? Nice like how we want it. Yes, they're looking all flavorful and colorful just the same. Look at that orange pumpkin. Yes, coming with that pumpkin to give it that nice orange, followed by the orange from that carrot. Beautiful, right? Stir that in and allow this to get nice and al dente. Beautiful. coming with that pimento powder, guys, because the flavor from pimento, fresh pimento, guys, if you know us, you know that we love cooking with natural herbs and spices, and that just gives the extra in everything. Yes, guys, this is so amazing. Stir that in, get it nice and incorporated with everything there. Beautiful, right? So we're just going to allow that to nicely simmer. Look at that. Just take a moment to look at that. Beautiful, right? So what you think we're going to come with now? Adding those chicken once again. Look at that sear, guys. Just admire that sear on that leg quarter. Beautiful. Yes, guys, so we're just adding back the pieces of chicken to the mix and allow it to, nicely cook through and get nice and tender. All right, so yes, guys, look at that. Beautiful. Lovely, right? This is so amazing, guys. I get so excited about cooking. I love it so much. Alright, guys, so we're so forward again. Here we go. Voila. Yes, guys, and if you've noticed, we've had some green beans off camera. Yes, guys, so that's it. Beautiful. Yes, not green beans, I should say string beans. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. That's so amazing, guys. Remember, follow our Instagram. Pictures will be posted over there. Beautiful. Just look at that, guys. Bang, bang, boom. We're